Decentraland will hit $500. Decentraland Mana Price Prediction 2022. Decentraland is going to hit $500. How is this coin predicted to hit this price? And by when can it achieve this mark? We're going to answer all of these questions today. So stick around and watch this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Insights. If you're a crypto lover, then this is your go-to stop. And for all you Decentraland or Mana investors, today's video is just the one for you. Digital real-life cryptocurrency Mana prices of Decentraland fell in the previous month because the market did not correct downward following a sharp increase in late 2021. For the Ethereum Metaverse based on blockchain Decentraland, Mana is the coin of utility. The prices of Decentraland cryptocurrency have been coming down since reaching a high of $5.80 ever since on November 25, 2021. Decentraland token rates rally was driven by improving Metaverse's market interest brought in via the rebrand of social media application Facebook as Meta and its idea of developing the Metaverse. Mana began the year at $3.30 and it was trading at $2.23 as of January 27, 2022. What is Decentraland or Mana? Based on the blockchain of Ethereum with a smooth and disputeless record of ownership, the game's Decentraland platform has been made for attaching an entirely new control in the virtual space of users who can now buy, build, and monetize virtual reality apps via Decentraland. Users of Decentraland are better empowered for taking the environment's charge and also the charge of applications they create inside their land. The correct social media account of the stage keeps its viewers updated with the events of the future constantly. And all-inclusive data of the real deal is entered on the blockchain, and thus the matter on this platform is secure and safe. All the assets and parcels of land displayed in the game could be purchased from the native token Mana, roads, or plazas. As the possession of land is an NFT stated on the Ethereum blockchain using the standards of ERC 721, safety and transferability are known as important and famous metaverse features of the game. The days are still early for a virtual world. However, the central concept of Decentraland is attracting players who are of age above the games of children, for the teenagers and also youngsters who look out for more intense and genuine human connections that are socializing based and transacting and not on a treasure hunt. Decentraland moved a step forward for aiming mass adoption in early 2022, hosting an entire virtual coverage of the Australian Open tournament of tennis beginning from January 17th. Bringing a reality and metaverse together, extending the experience of daily POAPS, live broadcasts, and much more, while giving a contribution to a virtual world, or we can say a perfect place that is imaginary. Digital real estate is among the chances of the investment worth taking into consideration. Investors are going to be benefited for sure from economic learning and collecting accelerating experience that are based on a platform. No doubt, a combination of art, craft, supported by music, and graphics is obvious for making Decentraland a very alternative and beneficial tool of investment. As per the white paper of the project, Decentraland is a decentralized platform. Not like other worlds of virtual environments and social network sites, Decentraland is not handled by an organization that's centralized. There is not even one agent with the authority and rights to make changes in the software rules, contents of land, currencies, economics, or prevent others from reaching the world. Users are able to purchase and sell out digital land, goods and services utilizing Mana coins. One can buy limited land in this space and develop any assets in the area of real estate. This makes a hub and drives the designing of content and services. Users can design advertisements, communal games, and digital collectibles. The company has said that there are possibilities for other use cases to occur, like training, education, professional development, therapy, virtual tourism, and 3D design, among others. Operating challenges and costs. Decentraland is not hosted on an infrastructure of a centralized server. The platform's matter is divided on a decentralized network of peer-to-peer or P2P. This system of distribution lets Decentraland work without the requirement of any centralized server infrastructure. The company says that this enables the world to stay into existence as long as it has users who contribute content, moving the cost of running the system to the same actors that get an advantage from it. Decentraland peer-to-peer network users fund themselves for covering the price of hosting the files and bandwidth of the platform. The project aims for implementing a protocol for covering costs of future infrastructure using proceeds from sales of mana tokens to cover prices in the extended period. Information about the mana token and latest development. What needs to be focused on here is that straight since inception, and according to the fresh news and suggestions of investment by the experts and analysts of crypto, the coin did not display any movement and seemed inactive without any hope for the users. Though modifications and progress were happening in the blockchain technology, this asset stayed without enthusiasm to budge even an inch. The price of Decentraland did not really mark huge movements and continued trading in a similar coin value range till the initial days of the current year. Then, like the power of a high tide wave, the coin made its road via many other counterparts. Facing all the challenges, Mana is ready to carry a benchmark for its performance, bringing in a significant investor community, going ahead of all expectations when we talk about all-around development. There is a total of 1.82 billion tokens of Decentraland in circulation. 40% of the mana supply was sold out in the 2017 initial coin offering. An extra 20% was booked to incentivize the community. 20% went to the team of the development and other contributors of the initial time, and the remaining 20% was in the name of Decentraland. As Decentraland transactions are backed by ETH blockchains, it incurs an amount that has to be paid in Ether. This is said to be the gas fee, a network payment to the transaction's miner. As a result, the more the fee of the gas by miners, the speedier the transaction will be processed. If the offered gas value is under the market level, the transaction may remain unprocessed. Decentraland is also working with Matic for creating a sidechain which will give rise to a cheaper and quicker process of the transaction. The advantages of using a sidechain are that it appears closer to real time and is affordable. However, Decentraland suggested its users to opt for a more safe Ethereum chain for more significant transactions. Decentraland has introduced additional features on its platform since early 2022, like the My Store, where content creators can work towards managing their assets, bring together and analyze statistics and data for their things over time. Project Risk Profile. As per a site of cryptocurrency research and data, information on the 24th of January 2022 indicates that the project of Decentraland has a ranking of 8.33. Decentraland rated full 10 from 10 on the site and its community and development metrics, while Decentraland got a score of 5.4 out of 10 for awareness. It was the solo metrics that was felicitated below 7. The score is based on the research of the site on social media applications like Twitter and Reddit. Mana price prediction. In spite of the positive outlook, the provider of forecast data price prediction doesn't have expectations from mana token value to hit the highest of $5.80 ever in 2022. However, the rate is estimated to increase in the next decade. As per the mana forecast of price prediction, the average mana or USD price is assumed to be found at $3.29 this year. Values of mana can exceed $5 by 2023. With a mean price of $4.73 in the next year and increase to $6.67 in the next 2 years. By 2025, the mana rate can reach a mean value of $9.79. In 2026, Mana, if all the markets become favorable, a digital asset is ready to break all the hurdles and display an amazing performance, scaling the top as mentioned previously. Mana will indicate signs of fortune for its users for sure, according to the unbiased forecast of crypto. Stated by the future price prediction as per the rate changes and past data, the Decentraland value might smoothly hit $12.5 by late 2026. Tech News Leader believes that Mana may reach $4.79 within 12 months, increasing to $13.6 by 2026. It is also estimated Mana to reach $83.91 in the next decade. A forecaster, based on an algorithm, stated that the price could reach $5.1 by late 2022 and reach a maximum of $17.13 in the upcoming 5 years. Why is the rate of Decentraland increasing? Owing to the speed of the transaction, the project of Mana is a special feature of attraction for buyers globally because of its offers and financial services. According to optimistic price prediction, Decentraland can show progress in the upcoming time as it lets the crypto users perform transactions for buying virtual space and NFTs easily. In some previous months, NFTs have become famous and therefore, the popularity of Decentraland has risen tremendously, and this helps to develop its ecosystem with its rate. How does mana rate achieve importance in the market? There are many platforms and software circulating in the present market which extend big assurances and support levels but do not fulfill their promises. On the other hand, Decentraland is a place that stays honest to its merit. It would be essential to say that investors have to rest their trust in the platform for it to increase on exchange and even keep checking the rise in the price of the token before investing. Conclusion: always remember that analyst predictions can be wrong. Forecasts should not be adopted as a substitute for one's own research. Always arrange your own due diligence prior to investing, and never trade or invest your currency that you can't afford to lose. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments about your views about mana. Share this video and hit the bell icon for more such amazing videos. Until next time, stay tuned. Disclaimer: this video is not concrete financial advice and is just our opinion. Always make sure to conduct extensive research before investing in any coins.